So this is an addition into our menu. It's a bao bun. If you like fish, if you like salmon, this is the best combination. You can try it out. So let's make it up the nice steamed bao. Fill inside smashed avocado. Good amount of sliced smoked salmon. And we use some smoked herring caviar. A nice heap of caviar here. It gives nice saltiness and nice texture to it. Then a slice of pickled jalapenos. 1 sprig of coriander leaf. Dusted with sumac powder. Smokiness from the salmon. A bit of saltiness from the caviar. And the avocado. Very nice, you know. It's a good dish. And it's very light, you know, compared to other dishes what we have. So we have the different options, you know, light, bit of good flavor, or some are light in flavor. So you can mix and match, you know, when you have few dishes, you will understand what is the concept of the menu. Thank you.